Welcome to a quick and easy guide on adding a frame to your new Facebook profile picture. If you've been wanting a fresh look that stands out, this updated method shows you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, head to your profile and tap on your current profile picture. This opens the edit options and brings you to a few handy choices for your image. From here, select Upload Photo to bring in a brand new picture you've prepared for your profile. Browse your device to find the photo you want to use. Once you've chosen it, you'll see a preview showing how it will appear on your profile. This is your moment to make sure the lighting, crop, and overall framing look just right before you commit. Before posting the new photo, look for the option Add Frame. This is where you'll get to personalize your image with a frame that matches your vibe, whether it's a seasonal theme, a cause you support, or something more playful. Tap Add Frame and explore the available designs. You'll be able to scroll through options and find the one that best complements your photo and your style. When you found the perfect frame, tap on it to apply. You should see a live preview of how the framed image will appear on your profile. If everything looks good, there's one last step to lock it in. Tap Save. This saves the framed photo to your profile and your new look is instantly visible to your friends and followers. If you'd like to switch things up later, you can repeat the process with a different photo or try another frame. Facebook frequently updates available frames, so there's always a chance to refresh your profile without changing your picture again. A few quick tips. Choose a photo with clear focus so the frame doesn't obscure important details, and consider how the frame color contrasts with your photo to keep your face as the centerpiece. Also, check how the framed image looks in both light and dark modes, since settings can subtly affect the final appearance. That's all there is to it. A simple, stylish way to give your Facebook profile a polished, personalized touch. Ready to try it now and share how your new framed look feels?